Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are designing a simple practice drawing. This is 90-degree elbow. So today we are designing a 90-degree elbow with flanges. So let's start. This is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly go to the new, then go to the part, then select all the planes and click on show. Firstly select right plane and click on sketch. This is our sketch. Firstly we need to draw the pipe or the elbow, 90-degree elbow. So for that we need two circles, inner and outer diameter of the pipe. Circles having diameter 72 and 60. Then exit sketch and choose the front plane. Draw the profile of the 90-degree elbow. So go to the line command and draw the line and give the smart dimension as 100 mm from the origin, and draw another line by setting some random distance and take the length of the line as 100 mm. And the distance between that lines at 16 mm from horizontal and 60 mm to the vertical. Draw the arc between that line and give the smart dimension, which is already 60, that is R60 because of the line dimensions. Then exit sketch, then go to the swept boss and select our profile, then click on OK. Now this is our elbow is ready. Now we need to draw the face flanges. So select the face of the elbow. Then firstly we need to draw the circle and give the dimension to that circle as 84 mm in diameter. Then we need to draw the smaller circles which is at the upper and lower side of the circle and give the dimension from the center to center as 60 mm and the circle diameter as 20 mm. Now we need to draw the center point arc by using the smaller circle diameter or the origin and give the dimension as R 25 mm. Now we need to connect these two circumferences by using line command. So randomly connect these points and draw the center line by using origin. Now we need to mirror the tangent line by using the center point line. Click on OK. Now trim the remaining portion. By using trim command. Similarly, trim the portion which is at the circle side. Now our trim operation is complete. So similarly, draw the center line by using origin at the horizontal side. And we need to trim the bottom portion. Now we need to use the convert entity on the inside diameter of the circle, so we can trim easily the inside portion of the remaining portion which not be mirrored. Now we can easily mirror the total sketch which is at the above side to the bottom side. So use the mirror command. Now go to the extrude boss, select the sketch and the flange length as also 10 mm, so click on OK. Now our one side flange is complete. So go to the chamfer, select the inside diameter or the edge of the circle and choose the chamfer parameter as 4 mm and click on OK. Now we go to the another side of the elbow, choose the face, click on sketch. Now draw the circle, follow the same procedure which we followed at the time of another flange. Draw the circle and give the diameter to that circle as 20 mm and the center to center distance as 60 mm. Draw the center point arc using that origin of the circle or the origin of the smaller circle and give the dimension to that arc as R25 and draw the tangent from the topper arc to that center circle and choose the mirror entity command and mirror the tangent line. Click on OK. And also use the inside circle or the ID of the elbow. Trim the remaining portion of the sketch which is at the left side of the center line. Trim the unwanted portion from that tangent line. Now select all sketch which is at the right side of the center line and go to the mirror entities. Then mirror about that is center line. Click on OK. Now our sketch is complete. So go to the exit sketch, then go to the extrude boss. Select the extrude length as 10 mm. Now go to the chamfer. choose the chamfer and click on OK. Our whole sketch is completed as per our sketch or the drawing. This is our object, 90-degree elbow with flanges. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel.